Hey everybody, Adventures in Idaho here. The other day I was on YouTube and just looking around and I saw this Mosin-Nagant somebody made for the 9138 Mosin carbine. And I got to scratching my head and I went in my gun safe, and way in the very back of my gun safe was this baby. A Mosin M9138. I bought this out of a catalog in 1994. I shot it a couple times and put it back in my gun safe, and really I never brought it out again. I shot it a few times. It's pretty interesting. I got it out of a catalog. It was advertised as an Arsenal refinished, and you can tell it's been refinished and reworked. But I wanted to know more about it, so I thought I'd make a video. Let me show you this up close, this catalog I bought it out of. Here, let me get a quick shot of that. And with that, for an extra $100, you got 440 rounds of the 7.62 by 54R, which goes with it. But I got a whole box of that ammo here, with maybe only 40 rounds shot out of it. Let me get you a nice close-up of this. Yeah, $249 for this. Maybe back in 27 years ago. Maybe that was a bit much, but it is Arsenal refinished. It is really nice. I found out recently what limited stuff I could find on YouTube was the Mosin 91s were getting old, so they sent them to Czechoslovakia. I think that's where this was Arsenal refinished. And they cut them down with a shorter barrel. I think probably by then all the barrels were pretty worn. This one is fine right here, real nice. And looking inside and everything, it's real nice. But anyway, they cut the stocks down on the 91s. But then again, this one has got this little slit for the M44 Mosin, where the bayonet comes over. There's never, of course, this is a 38, so there never has been a bayonet on this one. And I think I'm not sure, but I think the 38s did not have these sling protectors on it. So I don't know. I mean, this is why. So I'm making this video. Maybe some of your Mosin collectors can put some comments down there. I'll get some close-ups. I'll take it apart, get some close-ups. This bolt on here, I really don't think this is really an old bolt, because it's in too good a shape. The markings on this are 1895. Yeah. 1895 or something, I don't know. Yeah, 1895. So, well, we'll get some close-ups and take a look at it. And all of the serial numbers match. The serial number on the bolt has been etched in with a pen. And the serial numbers here on the butt plate, and are all been stamped. So I think that could be the original to the M91. So let's take it apart and take a look at it. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I've got a lot more research to do on this and try and find out some of the markings here. And if you're a Mosin collector and you know a little bit more than I do, leave some comments down in the comment section. And if you want to see some more of my videos, click up here in the corner. That's going to do it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.